Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you through how to open an inquiry on HealthID for an in-hospital prescribed minimum benefit or PMB claim to be reviewed. Thereafter, we will show you how to manage and track the PMB claim inquiry using HealthID. Let's get started. To begin, log in to HealthID and then click on the Claims icon. Thereafter, start by selecting the relevant practice number and then select the patient details you would like to query. This helps the system search for the correct patient whose claims you're reviewing. Next, select a date range. You can choose from the last month, last 3 months, 6 months, or the last 12 months. Keep in mind, claims older than 12 months aren't stored on HealthID. Once you've selected the date range, the claims dashboard will appear. This shows all relevant claims for that practice and patient. You'll only be able to view and interact with these claims if you're the designated person assigned to that practice. Claims with a shortfall will have an inquiry option available in the action column. If the not paid amount is 0, you won't be able to open an inquiry for that claim. You will also not be able to open an inquiry for claims that don't meet the PMB criteria. For example, an ICD-10 code is not valid, there is no authorization number for the claim date, or there is another query logged for it already, etc. Please note also that if your inquiry was previously declined, you won't be able to re-log another query through this portal for the same claim. To open an inquiry on an eligible claim, click the Inquiry button on the right. This will bring up the specific claim and open the Log an Inquiry screen. At the top of the page, you'll see a list of the required information for submitting these claims. To proceed, you must upload at least one supporting document. The same page provides details on the acceptable file types and size limits. After uploading your documents, the bottom section of the screen will display any other claims linked to the same authorization number. If relevant, you can include these related claims in your inquiry. No additional notes are required, and when you're ready, click Submit Inquiry. A pop-up will ask, "Are you sure?" You can either go ahead or cancel to make changes. You'll see a confirmation pop up, and a toast notification will confirm that the action is completed. Once submitted, you'll receive an inquiry number. This number is important if you need to follow up, especially if the inquiry goes beyond the 3 to 5 working days turnaround time. If an inquiry is already open and you try to submit another one for the same claim, the system will let you know. You can then choose to view the existing inquiry or close the message. Next, to track your inquiries, use the Query Tracker. Just enter the practice number and you'll see all inquiries for that practice, along with their status. Let's go over what each status means. A resolved status means the inquiry is complete. You'll see a reason like approval due to PMB at cost, etc. A declined status means the inquiry was rejected. For example, it may have been a planned event with DSP rules shared beforehand. The next status is the incomplete status, which means some information is missing. You'll have 10 working days to upload it, for example, like a clinical letter. Once uploaded, click Resubmit. If this is not submitted within the 10 days, it goes into an expired status, and you will only have one attempt only thereafter to resubmit. Lastly, the under review status. This means the inquiry is still within the turnaround time, or has just been resubmitted with new documents. And that's how you open, manage and track your PMB claim inquiries on HealthID. To support you further, we've created a centralized knowledge hub. This is your go-to resource for accessing discovery rates, health guides, and other important reference materials, all in one convenient location. In Phase 1, only claims associated with specific PMB categories can be logged. You can find the complete list of these PMB categories in the How-To Guide, available on this Knowledge Hub. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. We hope that this feature adds value to your practice and helps you save time in your day-to-day processes.